Hello and welcome to a review of the Sportsman Classic 181 Bunkhouse by Bikes, Boats, and Bivouacs. I hope you enjoy the video. This is a Sportsman model, and this happens to be the 181 BH. The difference between this one and the other one is the exterior here is siding, and the other one was fiberglass. We do see the refrigerator venting, the heater venting. There is an electrical outlet on the outside. It does have two steps to get in and a friction door with a screen door. This is the Sportsman Classic 181 BH. Does have an awning with exterior speakers. Does have a spare tire and a bumper on the back. These units, both the Escape and the Sportsman Classic, are made by KZ. We do see storage up front, and we also have it solar ready if we're using that. Rack for batteries, standard propane tank, diamond plate stone guard, and the aluminum siding on the unit. You can get a look in there. It is pass-through storage, and we see the slide on this side. So this model looks very similar to the Escape 191. Here we see the electrical hookup, black and gray dump, fresh water tank fill, and the city water fill, and the hot water heater. Let's check out the interior. Okay, we're going to check out the interior of the Sportsman Classic 181 BH. Very similar layout. We see a queen bed up front with the stereo and speaker controls in the center and storage. The dinette is on a slide, and that will convert to another sleeping area. The kitchen consists of a microwave up top and some storage, and we see down below a sink, the 2-burner stove, minimal prep area over here, and this extra storage closet next to it. You could put your TV there if you wanted to. The controls are right there. This unit has a set of bunk beds in it, similar to the other one, the teddy bear system. So we have 2 bunks. See the heater down below, some controls. Here again we have a full-size refrigerator that does run on gas or electric, and if we use the side mount air conditioner, I believe that's where they would put it, right here, and you'll get the smaller refrigerator. In the Classic 181, what's missing is the bathroom sink compared to the 191 BH. There is a nice tub shower and a foot toilet like the other one, but the sink is not in there, so you have to have your antiseptic sanitizer in there, or wash your hands at the kitchen sink. This one does have 13.5 BTU roof unit. Okay.